Welcome to the Halloween house. Second floor assembly. This piece is the upper floor. It features various wood textures. We assemble it while protecting the staircase. We're going to assemble the floor of the rear annex with wood textures, beams, and tiles. The underside features the reliefs of the porch ceilings, a piece that folds to achieve textures on both sides. The piece is assembled with 3 anchors. We now have the entire second floor open. This partition connects the main house with the annex. It has a doorway and 2 closed doors. These 3 elevations have been previously glued. The double front window is assembled by pressure. It is the window of Michael Myers' sister's room. The elevation joints are perfect when the corner beams are glued. Let's look at the upper handrail of the staircase. It consists of 2 folded pieces. We fold and glue the elongated piece in this way. We fold this piece as well, and we attach it to its 2 anchors on the first piece. We can assemble the whole thing in its position. It fits perfectly with the ascending handrail. The interior elevations are printed upside down. The 6 doors slide into their corresponding anchors. This elevation has 2 pivots that mark its position on the floor, and it fits by sliding it into its rails. We perform the same operation for these cund elevation. This one has 3 anchor pivots. This central part's now complete. Consists of 4 rooms and the staircase distributor. An LED lighting system can be easily installed. We can remove the interior partitions to gain space for our games. We quickly assemble the entire interior. Let's look at the partitions of the annex. We place the floor hatch. We have another elevation that folds into 3 walls. This one is already glued in place. We put everything in its place. We place this partition wall from the close to its anchor. Everything is now in place. The bathroom is accessed through the staircase door. The closet doors. I have the elevation printed here in 20 millimeters. It folds at 90 degrees like the ones we saw before. Its small window fits into place by pressure, and we could glue the side partitions. These cund floor is now complete. You can see its interior layout just like the real house. In the next video, we will see the assembly of the attic and roofs. Thank you for your support.